In this video, we're going to show you how to pair your GN ReSound hearing aids to your smart device. The first thing that you'll need to do is have your hearing aids in the charger or the battery doors opened. You'll need to download the Smart 3D app in your app store. Once your app has downloaded, we're going to go to the settings of your phone. We'll scroll down to accessibility. Once we're in accessibility, we're going to scroll down to hearing devices. At this time, we will remove the hearing aids from the charger, or you can close those battery doors. This will trigger the hearing aids to be in search mode, and they should pop up on your phone. Once those hearing aids pop up, select them, and you're going to hit the pair button 2 times if you're pairing a set of hearing aids. If you have only one hearing aid, you'll only see the pair button once. Once the hearing aids are paired in this screen, you're going to get out of the settings app and go into the app of the hearing aids. Once the app is opened, it will prompt you to connect your hearing aids. So you'll go ahead and click Yes, Connect Now. It'll take you to a sheet of terms of agreements. So you can read through those if you'd like to, or you can scroll to the bottom. But once you have completed reading those, you're going to check the box that says I agree to terms and conditions and continue. The next page will ask if you would like to receive notifications. If so, hit continue and allow notifications to be sent from your phone. You'll always want to allow access to Bluetooth. This will allow for streaming. And your name will pop up with your hearing aids, and we're going to click continue, and we're going to wait for those hearing aids to start to get connected. This may take a few moments to get them initially connected. Once they are connected though, you'll see a little bubble pop up, and it says that we need to secure connection. So we'll click OK. Now we are going to take our hearing aids and put them back in the charger, or if you have battery-based hearing aids, we need to open those battery doors. We're going to hit continue. Now we will remove our hearing aids from the charger, or we will close those battery doors for battery-based models. And then we will pick our phone back up and we'll hit continue one last time. This can take a few moments again to connect. The app will begin to load and it'll say well done and click start. And now you're ready to use your Smart 3D app.